Ito na yung ano guys, yung mga trash na ano namin. Grabe naman to. Yung old couch. So yan ida-dump namin. Where are we going? Landfill?
Yeah. The game plan Minnesota.
It's my first time to go there. We'll see. Gonna stop by. Magbabayad pala kami guys ng $40 a truck. So tingnan natin.
They must go by weight.
Oh my. Oh, I have to get out. So the weight will...
No.
My weight. Maybe it will add up. It's gonna add up my 138 pounds. I have to get out. Different world. I've never
Actually,
been
it smells
here.
pretty good.
Oh my god, you scare me, hon. I thought there's something here. Oh, ganyan pala yun dyan, guys. Landfill. Oh, maybe she said, why they're videoing? Landfill. Ito pala yung landfill dito. Oh. Oh my. So that's their work.
See, they're clearing it.
Where do you go? Down there? Do you know where you're going? Oh my. Oh my lord, I forgot my battery. I hate this. Sige, isa-isa muna guys. My gravel pala dyan guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Ay no. Grabe. I've never seen this before. I live around here but I've never seen this. Oh, tapos dyan mga trash. Yan pala yung mga landfill. Han, where you going? It stinks!
Of course it does.
Oh my god, are we gonna be the one to take all this trash out? Honey. Oh gosh. Babaho guys. Oh, another load na naman guys. Another load. Punta na naman kami. Second load for our trash. Another $40-something. Too expensive. Ooh, why they go there first?
Because they have a contract with them.
Oh,
I don't want to lose my leg.
like toy car. Ay naku, smelly na naman dito guys. Ang babaho. What's RP? AP waste. Kasi tingnan nyo dyan.
If I fell back, don't break my window.
Oo. That's the bat.
Yeah.
Handle. Oh my gosh. Why it's down there?
Because it slid.
Oh no, our couch is gone. Ooh, look at this trash. My God, people. Why you got too much trash? And it's smelly. Smells so bad. Oh my. Stinks so bad. Ay, stinky naman guys. Oh, tingnan nyo dyan. Oh, there's glass. Look at that trash. Whew. Okay. Yan na guys, tapos na kami. Yun yun nung last namin na ano. Smells bad. Last namin na ano, load. Grabe. Babaho pa guys. Nag-ano no. Parang ano lang. Toy.